Fatosa 75-liter bowl chopper. We'll go through the operations of the machine so you guys can see exactly how to run it. So right now we've got the lid open, and you'll know that the machine is ready to run because you've got a green light here with the power on. So with the lid open, you can run low knife and low bowl. By pressing bowl by itself, it's not going to run because you want that knife spinning, so there's nothing happening when you press the low bowl. When you press low knife, it'll kick the knife on first, and then the bowl will start. And with this lid open, you're going to get no high knife, no high bowl. If we close the protective cover, now you can pick it up to high bowl. Go back down to low bowl, and now high knife speed. If you lift the noise cover, then we go back down to low bowl, low knife. The unloader is on a limit switch, so it kicks on as you lower it down into the bowl. And then once again we'll turn off as you lift it up. There is a standard knife stop, bowl stop button. If you stop the bowl, the knives are going to stop with it. And then you've got an emergency stop here, which is the equivalent of lifting the lid. Now once the lid has been lifted, or the emergency stop has been pressed, you will have to restart the system here. So to restart the system, you press the button on the side of the control panel. You lift the lid for a couple seconds. And then when you shut the lid, you'll get the green light back on for the system.